So Sarath, basically again we discuss static routing, but today we discuss floating static routing. What is the meaning of floating?
Yeah,
So
floating
basically,
also last time that we discussed, because that if
we
we
done
have
last time floating static.
yeah, floating it is done. Not with this scenario, but we just
Theoretical we
discussed that.
done, but lab we are not done.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically floating static routing we need to discuss. Why? Basically, if this user want to access this server, so basically this vantage router, we are getting how many links to reach?
2 links.
Okay, if I am configure static routing, so both link AD value is 1, 1. That means both route act as a best path.
Best.
Yes or no? But I just need to make one path act as a primary, other link act as a
secondary.
So how to make? We do some changes with AD value.
Yes.
We do some changes with
AD
value.
values.
Okay, 1 second, hold on. So we need to first start all devices. Okay, now start all devices. Okay, on the device. Okay. Basically access router 1 first, okay? And then access router number 2. Go to R1 and verify IP address is done or not done. Show IP interface brief. So basically 12.1 is done, 112 is 1. Okay, show IP route. Any route available is static? No.
No.
Go to R2 side, enable show IP route.
No.
So basically directly connected is available. Okay, one static route is available. So I just need to remove. Do show run pipe section IP route. So we just need to remove this one. Say no. One more link. Done. Show IP route. Any route available? No.
No.
So basically, if I am saying R1 trying to reach 2.0 network. So 2.0 network, any route available?
No.
No. If I am configure, if I want to reach this network, this subnet mask via which one router? So we are getting 12.1 and one more. Okay. 12.2.
2. Yeah.
And we are getting one more network 112.2. So do show IP route static. You can reach 2. Network, but both route install as a
primary
best path. AD value is 1 and metric is 0, 0. No one have mechanism to learn best path. Basically, I want to make one route act as a primary, other route act as a secondary. You can say backup. So how to configure? First, remove the old route. Do show run pipe section IP route. So copy this one. Say no. Paste. Done. Say no. Copy. Paste. Done. Okay. Now show IP route static. Any route available?
No. Hello.
Now go to R1 and say IP route. So which one route act as a primary? So 1 GB. Yes or no?
Yeah, 1 GB.
To reach 2.0 subnet mask and
12.0.0.0.2
is my best. So you can set AD value also if you want. So by default AD is 1, enter. But if I want to make a secondary pass, so this one is my AD value is how many?
2.
And now verify show IP route static. So only one route. Yes or no? Same thing on R2. Yes. R2 say if I want to reach 1.0, this subnet mask, so best path is via 12.1 and backup path is via this one.
Yes.
So show IP route static. Verify. Done?
Yes.
Okay, now go to user one, this one. Okay, IP, show IP. IP is 1.2, subnet mask, and gateway is 1.1. Now wait, go to server one. IP, server IP 2.10, subnet mask, and gateway is 2.1.
1.
Okay. VPC 6. If I want to reach gateway, so gateway is reachable.
Reachable.
If I want to reach other network gateway, so also reachable. If I want to reach other network server, reachable.
Reachable.
But if I am sending continuous packet, ping 2.10 and minus C. Minus C means continuous. Clear? So I will write down minus C. How many packets? 100.
100 packets.
Okay, now go to R1. So basically all traffic go to via 2.0, 12.2. So if I am saying R1 say E0 by 1 link goes down.
Down.
Then immediate root install, which one?
Yeah, the second one.
Secondary path, automatic. And traffic we are getting down, wait, we are getting up, okay? Automatic. This thing is clear? But
Yes.
right now we are not getting reply. Why? Because R2 change any route? No. R1 change, na? So go to
Yes.
R1 side and I am saying E0 by 1, say no shutdown. Then automatically which one route install?
The primary.
Prime. Clear? So go to R2 side and I will do changes E0 by 1, say shutdown. And go to R1. Verify. We are getting any changes with the route? No. This one is simulator bug.
No.
Because R2 E0 by 1, if link goes down, so this route must be changed, na? But we are not
It will
getting
change automatically once it's come up, right? Primary.
Yes. But we are not getting any changes. So this one is simulator bug. Clear? No issue. In real time, it will work. Any issue? Any issue, Sarath? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, route is coming. Same.
Yes,
Traffic
yes.
is going. Traffic is ongoing. No issue. If I am saying, last time we discussed static routing, how many types? With the help of next hop IP and one more with the help of which one? Exit interface. Yes or no? So basically, what is the difference in between next hop IP or exit interface? So basically, next hop IP means device will never maintain ARP table entries for this users. This user entry R2 will maintain? No. But if I'm using exit interface, then R2 will store. Now verify same thing. Only exit interface. Go to R1 side and remove old routes. Do show run 5 section IP route. So remove these routes. Copy this one. Paste. And 112. And AD value is how many? 2.
2.
Do show IP route. Static. Any route available? No.
No.
Basically, now we configure IP route. IP route. IP route for which one network? Which one network? Now, which one network? 2.0 subnet mask. And via which one? 12.2 na? But I am saying
yes.
Now you can reach via my exit interface. So router 1 exit interface is E0 by 1 and E0 by 2. And now verify show IP route. Which one connectivity we are getting now?
Directly connected.
But it's a directly connected.
No.
It's a directly connected router. No. We are not getting directly connected. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Show IP route static. Now we are getting which one is my primary path? E0 by 1.
E0 by.
Because E0 by 2, AD value is how many?
2.
2. Now, VPC 6. Now this user can send data. Yes?
Yes.
But go to R2 side, show IP ARP. In ARP table, can you please verify
Yeah, all the ARPs are there.
All the ARP entries available?
Yes.
Yes or no? Clear? So
Mhm.
basically in exit interface base, we can get ARP entry. Go to R2 side and remove the old static routes. And say I am installing exit interface based route. Which one?
Exit
Exit
interface.
interface. Copy this one, paste. Done. An IP route. Which one route? For this network, this subnet mask, we can reach E0 by
E0 by
1,
1.
E0 by 2.
Mhm.
Okay, now traffic will going ongoing. Go to
Yes.
R2 side. Show IP R. Now verify we are getting one entry. Which one?
1.2.
1.2. And this one is MAC. Okay, now go to user 3. This one is my user 1.3, for example. 1.3 subnet mask and gateway is 1.1.
1.
Okay, now we can try again ping for server. Which one, dear? For
Server.
server 2.10. Communication is reachable. Now
Yes.
go to R2 side and verify one more entry available
Available for that. Yeah.
with same MAC or different MAC?
Same.
Same MAC. So we are getting some issues. Yes or no?
Yes.
So basically exit interface based static routing,
It is
not
not
mandatory.
recommended. Yeah.
Yeah. In real time. In which one time?
In real time.
In real time. Any issue?
No.
This thing is clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So can we stop this one now?
Yes.
Basically, why we are getting this issues? Basically, go to R1 and verify show IP interface E0 by 1. Which one command? Show IP interface E0 by 1. And read this line.
Proxy RP is enabled.
If someone disable this app, then communication is possible?
No.
No. So how to disable? Interface E0 by 1, say IP proxy app. Enable. If I am saying no IP proxy app, that means
Disable.
disable. Yes or no? And communication will be stopped. But right now it's a EVNG. That is the reason communication is possible. If you are doing on GNS3, so stop.
Yeah.
It's a simulator bugs. We are getting some. Okay.
No.
Now, so last time we discussed IP SLA or track also, I think.
Yeah, track we discussed.
Okay. Now verify. Basically, how to verify track? If someone say, please provide the detail. If link goes down or up. So I will add track 1. For which one purpose? For IP route. For which one route? 2.0 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. And which one thing you want to verify? I will say reachability. And you can set delay also. How many second delay it will take if route goes down. Clear?
Okay.
Now, exit. Show IP route static. Route is available or not available?
Available.
Show track. So that means track is
up. Reachability.
And route is statically configured. On which one interface? E0 by 1.
Yeah, E0.
Okay, now one more thing. If I am saying I want to check the reachability, this one is route reachability. I want to verify link verification. So I am using SLA, IP SLA 1. SLA number is 1 and I am sending ICMP echo message. For which one destination? I am saying 12.2. From which one source IP? I will say from my gateway. Yes or no? Enter. Exit. Exit. Show IP SLA statics. So SLA 1 is available. Number of success is unknown. Failure is unknown. Why? Because SLA right now create, but configure no. So how to start SLA? IP SLA schedule. SLA number is 1. Start time is now. And how many life? Life is only 200 seconds. How many dear? 200. And now verify show IP SLA statics. Verify. This timer is running. How many success, how many failure we can get? How many failure we are getting? Read.
1.
How many failure we are getting?
1.
Yes or no? So we can
Oh.
set this kind of. Okay. Now, no IP SLA number 1.
1.
Okay. Verify no track number 2. Track we also remove. Now, IP SLA. Clear? 1. ICMP echo message for destination. Which one? 42.1.
1.
From source IP 1.1.
1.
Okay, frequency is how many? We can set hello packet or ICMP echo message. Frequency is how many? I will set 5. Exit. IP SLA schedule 1. Start time is now. Age is 500. Done. IP SLA schedule 1. This one is done now. Track number 1 and which one command? IP SLA. SLA number 1. Read the error.
Old configuration.
Old configuration and show IP SLA status. So how many success rate we are getting there?
4.
4. Yes or no?
Right.
Now remove this one. No IP SLA number 1. No track number 1. Track number. So we can use SLA also. Clear?
Yeah. This SLA part we will discuss later, right? In detail, right?
Yeah, SLA we discuss every time.
The QAs. Okay.
Yes, we discuss every time. No worries.
Oh.
Okay. So static routing is clear.
Yes.
Now we need to discuss which one routing?
Default routing.
Default. Okay. So Sarath, any idea why we use default routing?
Yeah, normally that we can say that for if there is no route is available, all that we can redirect all the communication to a particular exit interface or particular network, right? For getting the internet, we can say.
Okay. No worry. So hold on. Okay, Sarath, can you hear me now? Sarath, I'm audible. Hello. Sarath, now can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. So basically now topic is which one dear?
Default routing.
Default routing. We discuss only small theory for default routing. Basically, if someone asking why we use default routing, so basically clear first thing. Default routing forward unknown destination traffic other side. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Whenever we are getting unknown destination. Okay.
Yeah.
If someone asking one more thing, default routing AD value is how many? 1. Okay, one more thing. Default routing manually configured. Clear? One
Yes.
more thing. Default routing destination network is which one?
Unknown.
Unknown means we can say 0, 0, 0, 0. You can say unknown means
Yeah.
anyone. Clear? One more thing. Default routing destination subnet mask. Which one? Destination
Destination.
subnet mask.
Subnet mask.
Okay. It's also unknown. We
Unknown.
can say any 0, 0, 0. One more thing. Default routing can use next hop IP, or we can use which one also?
Exit interface.
Exit interface. Clear? One more thing. Default routing are root code. Which one?
Root code.
S string.
Star. Okay.
String. It's called string. Now one more thing. If you are doing default routing, so always follow the rule. Default routing always configure one-way direction. Which one, dear?
One-way direction.
One-way direction. One more thing. Default routing never configure which one direction?
Two-way.
Two-way direction. If configure, then create.
No loads.
Clear?
Okay.
So basically, how to design default routing? It's a very simple.
IP
We are
route. Yeah.
getting a router connected with which one side? Switch. And we are getting some LAN.
LAN users.
This router connected with which one side?
Yeah. ISP.
ISP. Okay. This one is 0 by 0. This one is 0 by 1. Okay. Right now in this part, we are using 192.168.1.0/24.
24.
Clear? And basically 1.1 is this one, 1.2, 1.3.
3.
Okay, right now this side we are using 12.0.0.0/value 20.
24.
30 we can also use now. So basically, how communication possible, sir? So very simple communication mechanism. For example, if I am saying on this router, in routing table, how many routes available? Any idea? How many routes available? In this router,
There will be 2. Both are directly connected.
First
Yeah.
directly connected is 12.0.0.0/24 via 0 by.
There is my 0, then L.
From this
Local
network,
interface.
we are getting a local interface router on interface 12.1/32 0 by 0.
0.
One more network 192.168.1.0/24 connected with
0/4.
okay L local interface. Now one more 192.168.1.1/32 0 by
1.
So this table is clear now? Now,
Yes.
if this user want to communicate with 1.3, so communication is possible,
Yes.
same network. But if this user say, I want to reach 8.8.8, so this user generate data and inside data put layer 3, source IP and
Destination.
source IP is 1.2, destination is 8.8.
8.8.8.
This traffic coming on router interface, router will receive and check routing table. Any route available?
No.
So this user can possible to access internet.
No.
No. So how can access? So
We
basically
need to
this
put
user, this on this router,
Hmm.
network engineers say I'm configure from this router to ISP side.
default route.
Default route means unknown path, you can say. So go to router and network engineer say IP route any
Zero
net,
load. Any subnet
any
mask.
mask. Yeah, this one is network and this one is mask.
Mask.
And I will reach via which one router? 12.0.0.2. That means the router lookup into routing table, and if you configure this one, so basically we are getting S star any network, any mask, and via which one router we can reach 12.0.2. Now can you please verify in routing table any route available if this user want to reach 8.8.8?
Yes, default route is available.
Default route is available and default route is more prefer other than. Clear? Other
Yeah.
than. Now. So traffic will forward on ISP. So right now in real time on this router, we are also using one more feature. Its name
NAT.
net. But right now we are not using net. So how ISP return back whenever ISP say I want to send back reply. So this data and now source IP is which one on layer 3? Source is which one? 8.8.8.
DNS.
Destination is 1.2. So in ISP routing table, any route available? No. So from ISP to router, we can set which one routing?
Static routing.
Static routing. Go to ISP, say IP route. Network is 1.0. Subnet mask is /24. Yes or no?
Yes.
I have to write down, for example, 192.168.1.0. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and
Zero.
which one router we can reach? 12.0.0.1.
What?
Okay. So communication is possible now.
Yes.
So small lab we do small lab. Start EVNG and we can do. Sharath, are you done switching all labs?
Yeah. Then I am just going through that the document which you
I
shared.
think I already
Many
shared.
things are there. Yeah.
Books and notes also already shared na with you.
Yeah. But actually for that one, that the answers are not available in the book, right?
Yes. Answer you need to do lab, na? Then you
Yeah.
can get. Default routing lab. Okay, we can make original lab. Okay. Give me 1 second. We can make original lab. Hold on. Remove this customer. Remove this one.
Actually, in the production, see if you don't have the static AP or that if you don't know the next scope address. Okay, so that time we will mention only that exit interface, right?
Yes. But exit interface will get a device utilization high.
Yeah, that is a problem.
Yeah, that is the reason we are not using and not recommended anywhere. This one is my switch.
Okay. In that production, if we don't know that, because actually that if we don't
We are
have the
using
static
next of
HP.
IP every time. Node IOL. So we are using some router. Okay. It's my customer router. Clear?
Yeah.
Network, and I am using cloud. Cloud one. I will try to use.
ISP. Okay.
Yeah, act as a ISP. Start this box. First, we test on my router. If it is working, then we can do.
Okay.
Real-time default routing we are doing right now.
Okay.
Wait. I have another server also. We can make default routing on this one. This one is easy because in this we need IOL, and this one is my customer router. Clear?
Okay.
And L3 image. Save this one. Done. We need to add IOL. That means layer 2 switch we need to use. Switch. Where is my switch? This one. Okay. We need to access PC. Yes or
Yes.
no? So
Yes.
we are using Windows machine. Windows. Save this one. Windows means Windows 7 PC. Connect.
Yes.
Connect with this one. Okay. And right now network. So we are using Cloud9. Save this one. Okay. So this one is ISP connected with customer router.
Router.
Okay. Now the start router, start switch, start user also. Now wait. Access customer router. Switch is accessible. Router also now. Enable show IP interface brief. So we are getting IP address from ISP. Yes or no? Okay. If I want to ping 8.8.8, so we can reachable, na? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Show IP route. So verify. We said which one router? Static
That
plus
is
default.
default.
Any network, any mask. Okay. How to verify? Do show run pipe section IP route.
Correct.
So we are getting any route? No. But this one is automatically we are getting. Clear?
Yes.
Because we are getting the IP address from my DSCP. Okay. Lens side we are using E0/0, and I will say no shutdown. IP address is which one? 192.168.1.1. Permanent mask and then enter. Then go to this user, access this user, and this user IP address we assign 1.2. Which one? 1. Wait. Go to network setting. Properties. IPv4. Use the following IP. Which one?
192.168.
192.168.1.2. Subnet mask or gateway is 1.1. Clear? Click on OK, close, and then close. Now wait. Open CMD and IP config. So IP is done. Ping
Yes.
www.google.com.
No, there is no DNS we specified,
Yeah,
right?
DNS is not available.
Yeah.
So we can assign DNS also. We can make DHCP server. I think DHCP, we
Yeah.
can configure DHCP also. So
Yes.
DNS is not configured. If I'm configured DNS properties IPv4 and I'm configured
8.8.8.
8.8.8 and next is 4.2.2.
2.2.
Both are Google DNS server.
Now it would be.
It will take a time to accept the DNS. Okay, if I want to ping 8.8.8 IP, if this one is reachable, then we can get. But we
No.
are getting a reachable? No.
No.
Why? Why this one issue? Because on customer router, we need to perform net.
Yeah.
Yes or no? So we can
Yes.
configure is pet. I think pet, pet configuration. Okay. So we create access list one, permit any, and IP net inside source static list, IP net inside source list one, interface E0 by 1, or which one feature? Overload.
Overload.
E0 by 1, IP net outside, E0 by 0, IP net inside. Now you can verify. Communication is
Possible.
possible. Clear? So we can use this kind of concept for internet in real time we are using. And refresh this one, we can get the internet connectivity easily. Clear? Because now we can translate my IP address with this public IP on E0 by 1.
Yes.
And internet now access.
Available.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So basically, which configuration we done in real time? First, we configure PAT, and then we configure which one
Default route.
routing?
Default route.
Default routing towards ISP IP. Yes or no?
Yes.
Towards ISP IP.
ISP IP.
Clear? So this one is real time configuration. Stop this one. Okay. For example, same diagram we can make, but right now
One thing actually, see that currently that we have mentioned that exit interface is our static IP, that IP address, right? We are getting from the ISP. So it will if we don't have the static IP, so that it will keep on changing, right?
For example, if customer don't have any idea what is my next stop IP, yes or no?
Yeah.
Customer don't have any idea. So you can ask ISP engineer. Easily you can get.
Okay.
Okay, ISP will inform which one is your next stop IP. Okay. So on customer router, you need to configure net, and then you need to configure default. Clear? Now, if I am saying if I am connected with how many networks? How many networks if I am connected, Sarath?
2 networks.
2 ISP. Many?
Yes.
2 ISP.
2 ISP.
Start this one. Start this one. Start this one. Right? Now access router 1. So router. Wait, we are getting. So basically in production network, we are using this concept. Clear, sir?
Yeah.
Same scenario. Enable show IP route. Root is available, show IP interface brief. So we are getting only E0 by 1. We configure E0 by 2 as a another ISP.
Another.
Clear? E0 by 2. I am saying no shutdown, IP address, DSCP.
AC.
Wait. Show IP interface brief. If we are getting no configure host name, not including host name option. So DSCP is not available. Clear? I will say interface E0 by 2 IP address. Which one? 192.168.98.104. Subnet mask and then enter. So show IP interface brief. We are getting two interfaces.
Yes.
Yes or no? Show IP route. Okay. Now we configure IP route, any network, any mask, and first primary is my 99.1 and secondary is my 98.2.
Yeah.
So show IP route. So root I think also available. Yes or no?
Yes.
Go to user side. So user also available. Clear? Okay. Now
Yes.
open the CMD. Go to ncpa.cpm. And this user IP is 1.2, 1.1. DNS we need to configure. Properties IPv4 and A.A.8 4.2.2.2. Done. Click on OK, close, and now it's done. Clear? Okay. Basically, we need to configure on customer router PAT also. Clear na?
Yes.
So access list 1, permit anyone. IP net inside source list 1 interface. Which one? Which one now? E0 by 1. Which one feature? Overload. And E0 by 2. Which one feature?
Overload.
And now interface E0 by 0 IP net inside, interface E0 by 1 IP net outside. Done? Clear? Show IP route. Root is also available. Now go to user side and go to google.com. Easily you can access internet services. Wait. We are getting which one message, Sarath? Which one message? Destination host unreachable. Now we are getting a request timeout. We are getting a reply. No. Why we are not getting go to customer router? And this customer can be reachable on ISP. Ping A.A. Ping A.A. This customer is not reachable. Yes or no?
Yes.
Basically, this one is not reachable. So basically, how to reachable? Basically, we configure manually default route. Yes or no? That is the reason. Yes. That is the reason we are getting issue. Do show run pipe section IP route. So we need to change the route. Say no. Just show IP route. Automatically we are getting no. Wait. Remove this one also. 98.1 na? This do show IP route. We are getting getting na? Now you can try to pick 8.8.8. So show IP interface brief. Show IP route. We can receive, no worry. I will set the SLA, IP SLA1, ICMP echo message. Destination is A dot A dot A dot. Source interface is E0 by 1. Clear? And frequency I will set 5 second and IP SLA schedule 1. Start time is now and life is I will say life is uh, 1000 second and show IP SLA statics. So verify. How many failures we are getting? One failure. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So show run pipe section net. Okay. E0 by 1 we need to configure interface IP net inside source list 1 interface E0 by 1 overload.
And before we apply that,
Dynamic mapping is available. Clear IP net translation shift star. Now we need to configure again. Now it's done and now verify. We can reachable. Show IP SLA statics. How many success rate?
2, 3.
How many? 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
4, 5. We are getting success rate is reachable, na?
Yes.
Paying A dot A dot A dot 8. It's a reachable. User also get connectivity. If I am doing enable, disable the network adapter, so user also get disable and then enable, and I will set ping minus T. Continuously we are doing ping. Clear? For reachability verification. So show IP SLA statics. We are getting success rate is how many? 12 na? So that means communication is reachable.
Happening.
So user also get, no worry. Show run pipe section net. User also get well. Automatically it will get up. Okay. So we can set SLA in real time. For which one? Google.com. 8.8 means Google.com. And life is only how many? 884 seconds. Clear na?
Yeah.
So we can set track also if you want IP SLA 2. Clear? And then exit IP SLA schedule 2. Okay. This one is okay. We can set track 1 IP SLA 2. And which one feature we are saying? We need to check exit IP SLA 2 ICMP echo. We can use ICMP echo right now. We are getting multiple feature. ICMP jitter, path echo, UDP jitter, wipe. Clear? MPLS you can verify. DSCP, DNS. If I am set DNS, which one? A dot A dot A dot. Which one is name server? I'm saying google.com. Clear? And show IP SLA statics number 2. So basically SLA2 is operation is a start now. So go to IP SLA schedule 2. The start time is now, life is 300. Show IP SLA statics. So basically this SLA number is 1 for running 8.8.8 and this one is SLA number 2 for DNS. We are getting how many failures? How many failures? 1. No connection. No connection means connectivity is available but DNS server.
No.
Connectivity is not available. So we can set multiple things. Remove no IP SLA 1, 2, no track 1, no track 2. Clear? So turn off this one. Okay, now go to my design. Where is it? Yeah, this one. This one. Stop all devices. Now this one is your lab. We need to do this one lab. Last time we are also doing. Now verify. We are getting customer router. We are getting how many ISP? Two ISP.
Two ASP.
And this ISP available with loopback. Any idea, Sarath? What is the meaning of loopback?
Yeah. It will not go down.
Logical interfaces.
Interfacing.
For testing purpose, we are using. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, now access router one, router. Hold on, close this one. Access router one. Okay. Show IP interface brief. So verify. Customer say E0 by 0 available, E0 by 2, and E0 by 1.
One.
Airtel ISP. On Airtel ISP, IP address is available. Yes.
Yes.
And loopback 1, loopback 2 is available.
Available.
Vodafone ISP. Show IP interface brief. 13.2 and 8.8 for Google only. Yes or
Yeah.
no? No. So go to user 1 for example, and this user 1 IP is 1.2 subnet mask and gateway is 1.1.
One.
Done? Okay. This user trying to ping gateway. So reachable. If
Yes.
this user want to reach 8.8.8. Destination host unreachable. That
Unreachable.
means go to router, show IP route. Customer side any route available for ISP.
No. No.
So we can set default route, but we are getting how many links? Two links. So which one is primary link we can configure? Vodafone or
1G.
Intel?
1G. Yeah. Vodafone.
So Vodafone. IP route, any network, any mask, and Vodafone ISP IP is verified 13.2.
Two.
So next stop is 13.2.
Two.
Okay. Secondary path we can make which one? 12.2.
12. Yeah. Two.
But ED
Space two.
value is
Two.
2. Now verify. Show IP route. Route is available? Yes or no? Now that means this user traffic will go to ISP side. That is the reason now we are getting which one message? Request time out. Request timeout means route is available, but we are not getting reply.
Reply.
So no. Okay,
Yes.
go to router one. Router one having a route. Okay, Vodafone ISP. Any route available?
No.
So we can configure pat on router one. Clear?
No.
Access list one permit any IP net inside source list number is 1.
One.
Interface E0 by 2. Which one feature?
Over.
Okay. In this command, we remove first this command. So basically, mostly network engineer do misconfiguration. Pat verify. IP net inside source list 1 interface E0 by 0 overload. E0 by 2. Which one?
Overload.
To show run pipe section IP. So we are getting only one mapping. Yes or no?
Yes.
How to get two mapping? Any idea, sir? How to get two mapping?
Then we need to configure the track over
No.
SLA, right?
No. Verify now. IP net inside source list 1 interface. E0 by 0 and which one interface? We are getting any option? We are getting any option? No. We are getting E0 by 0, E0 by 2
Two.
and which one? Command is available.
No.
Command is available? No.
No.
So basically how to do? So we are getting multi-link group. Group number is 1. So we make multi-link. This one. Multi-link group interfaces. Clear? So this one is we are using for mapping. Clear? Okay. Interface multi-link 1 overload. And now interface multi-link 1 interface, we can map. We are getting option, hold on. Source, sources. Some command we are using for making a two interface in single. Mhm.
Actually, this NAT side part also that we will discuss later, right? In detail. NAT also that we will discuss later, detail, right?
Net we discuss later. No worry.
Okay.
IP net inside source list var and interface E0 by 2 overload, and we are using only one interface right now, E0 by 1 IP net inside, E0 by 2 IP net outside. Clear? Okay. Now, so basically, if this user trying to now, communication is possible.
Possible.
But if I'm saying show IP route static, so only one route is available. Yes or no?
Yes.
How to know my other, if this route goes down, so other route will be automatically installed because AD value is 2. But
Yes.
how to know? So that is the reason we said track 1 for which one purpose? IP, SLA 1 and exit. Done. And I will say IP SLA 1 ICMP echo message 8.8.8 via which one source IP? Source IP is my gateway 1.1 and frequency is every 5 seconds. Exit IP SLA schedule 1. Start time is now and age is 300. Done.
Age means it will send
How many
that,
seconds this SLA will work? 300 second only work.
Okay.
Show IP SLA statics. Now verify. So basically number of successes how many?
2.
2. Show track. Verify. Track 1, SLA 1, state is right now. State is right now up. If I am saying, for example, if ISP, Vodafone ISP E0 by 0 link goes down, shut down, then what will be happen on router? Customer router, what we are getting?
Yeah, and the route will be
how many failure?
1.
Show now verify. Track is
up, down, yeah.
Show
up to down.
Down and now wait. Show IP route statics. Oh, sorry. Show IP route. In routing table, we are getting a route exchange. No. Basically, this one is simulator. That is the reason. In production network, automatically link will be flap, and we are getting a next route via which one? 12.0.2. If ISP getting a link again up, then what will be happen? If ISP link is getting up again, then router 1 get first log. Track 1 from down to up. Wait for logs. Track down to up. And SLA also we are getting a success rate is now again 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes or no? So we can use track feature, we can use SLA feature. Okay? Okay. If you're defining the route, IP route, for example, any network, any mask, 13.2. So we are getting track option. You can map your track and show track 1. So verify. Track 1 with IP SLA 1 state is right now up because in SLA state is up. Okay. Yes. Now track by which one routing? Static IP routing. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. For example, if I am saying router 1 E0 by 2 interface goes down, then Then what will be happen? Read message now. Show
Yes,
track. Now track 1 IPSLA 1 state up to
down.
down. Why we are getting this log? Basically, we map this one. Yes or no? And
Yes.
now show IP SLA statics. So how many failure right now? 10 now?
10. Hmm.
Wait, 11. Every 5 seconds increase. Yes or no?
Yes.
This thing is clear.
Yeah.
Same thing you need to do your homework. Okay. From tomorrow we start dynamic routing. EIGRP, OSPF. Okay.
Okay.
Any issue?
No, it is fine. But actually, that this natting and all, so I just need to
Huh?
the natting. So you just
Net.
mention.
In
Yeah,
CCNA, are you done? Net topic.
yeah, I done, but I forgot that stuff. I will recall that. Okay. I will just read it.
Okay, no worry, no worry. Take your time, go through the
Okay.
video, and again we